Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix Android phone overheating. Overheating on Android smartphones is a common problem that has been around since its inception and is still a problem even now. Unlike older versions of mobile phones, modern mobile phones are equipped with the most advanced CPUs and GPUs currently on the market, and their processing capabilities will continue to increase with the development of new generations of mobile phones. However, the harder the processor works, the more heat it generates. Thankfully, there are some simple tips you can use to help prevent your phone from overheating. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please be patient and watch this video. I hope it can help you solve the problem of Android phone is overheating. Some users will ask, why is my Android phone hot when I use my phone normally? I believe that when using smartphones, most users have experienced phone is overheating. Usually, phone overheating is caused by watching videos for a long time, playing games, running too many applications at the same time, using the phone with poor signal, exposing the phone to direct sunlight, malware, charging for too long, battery damage, etc. These reasons may cause your phone to overheat. No matter what causes Android phone to overheat, it is best to keep the phone at a normal and suitable temperature. Even though some Android phones come with some cooling solutions, that doesn't mean they don't get overheated. Regardless of whether you know the reason why your Android phone is getting hot, knowing how to deal with Android phone overheats can be a precaution and avoid being overwhelmed when this situation occurs. So, how to fix an overheating Android phone? Now tell you the answer. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. We will also tell you some tips on how to avoid overheating on your phone at the end of the video, so please be patient and watch. Before that, you can take the following measures to fix Android mobile heating problem. Method 1 is to go to a cool place or turn on the air conditioner. If you are currently in a hot location outdoors or in another location where the temperature is too high, your phone may become hot for a short period of time during use. If this happens, please take your Android phone to a cool place or turn on the air conditioner to reduce the surrounding temperature. Thus cool down Android phone. Method 2 is to turn on airplane mode. When your Android phone gets hot, it may be connected to your mobile network or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other related services for a long time, resulting in the overheat Android phone situation. Therefore, you can turn on your phone's airplane mode to temporarily disconnect these services. And let the phone sit for 15 minutes before trying to use the phone again. Method 3 is to turn on low power mode. Excessive brightness of the phone screen or running the phone at high speed for a long time are also one of the main culprits that cause Android phone heats up. At this time, you need to turn on the low power mode. The low power mode will allow the phone to operate normally under a certain operating range. For example, low power mode will automatically reduce the screen brightness of your Android phone. Method 4 is to turn off the phone. When the phone is heating up, you can also turn off the phone directly. Shutting down will stop all work on the phone and it will enter sleep mode. You can press and hold the power button until the shutdown screen appears, then tap the shutdown screen. After shutting down, you only need to wait for at least 15 minutes, and then pick up the phone again to see if the temperature returns to normal. Method 5 is to close all applications. Too many apps running in the background can also cause your Android phone to get warm. Even though you don't use them, they still consume your phone's CPU power and memory resources. So, please close all applications that you don't need to use at the moment. You can swipe up from the bottom of your Android phone and you will be able to see the apps running in the background. Then click the clean button or swipe up to clean them one by one to stop them from working. Method 6 is to take off the phone case to dissipate heat. If your Android phone has a case, please take it off. Taking off the phone case will also get a good heat dissipation effect. Method 7 is to pause charging if it is charging. If your phone experiences excessive heat while charging, to protect your Android phone and battery, please pause charging. Wait for the temperature to return to normal before charging again. Method 8 is to remove malware. If you've become infected with malware by using a fake app or clicking on an infected link, your phone's CPU and memory can be hijacked, slowing down performance and generating a lot of heat. It doesn't care about the health of your device, they just want your data. If you downloaded or clicked on unsafe apps and links, please find them and delete them permanently. Method 9 is to turn off personal hotspot. If you open a personal hotspot for multiple people to connect to, your Android phone will try to increase the performance or network speed for others to use. However, while improving performance or network speed, your Android phone is also prone to heating up. At this time, please turn off your personal hotspot and wait for your Android phone to return to normal. Method 10 is to restore factory settings. If your phone is overheating Android phone due to malware and cannot find or delete it, then it's time to restore your Android phone to factory settings. but restoring factory settings will clear all your data. If you need to restore your Android phone to factory settings, please back up the data you need in advance. Next, please click on the settings of the phone. After entering the settings, find and click on General Management. Find the Reset option on the General Management interface. Click on the Reset option and then find and click on Restore Factory Settings. Please confirm again. At this point, your Android phone should automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the restart is complete, please follow the steps displayed on the screen one by one to return to the home screen. After that, the problem of phone heating will be solved. No matter how powerful your phone is, there's always a chance it will overheat. How to prevent your mobile phone from heating up. Now we tell you some tips to recover an Android phone from overheating. 1. Avoid direct sunlight. A common cause of your phone overheating is leaving it in direct sunlight. Your phone absorbs and retains light and heat from the sun, and the longer it stays in the sun and heat, the hotter it becomes. So, please avoid leaving your Android phone in the sun for a long time. 2. Avoid using mobile phones for long periods of time. When you use your phone for a long time, the load on the phone will increase, which means that the CPU is overloaded and the internal temperature of the phone rises. Mobile phones, like people, need a certain amount of rest to appear in a better state. When using mobile phones appropriately, we are also protecting our eyes. It is also improving the service life of Android phones. 3. Avoid running multiple applications at the same time. Having too many apps open at the same time can also cause your phone to heat up. This is because applications run background processes that consume CPU power and memory resources, whether you are using them or not. To help stop your Android phone from overheating, avoid having too many apps open at the same time. 4. Avoid taking your phone to extremely hot environments. If your Android phone is in an extremely hot environment, such as a desert, then it will be very noticeable how quickly your Android phone gets hot, whether you are using the phone or not. So please avoid taking your phone to extremely hot environments. 5. Use official chargers and avoid charging for too long. If your Android phone has just been charged, check the power cord for damage. If not, please check whether the charger is original or from a good brand. Sometimes, non-compliant chargers can cause your Android phone to heat up. Please check and avoid this. If you use a non-compliant charger, please leave the phone alone for at least 30 minutes, wait for the phone to cool down, and then use a regular charger. 6. Download the app from official channels. Some unofficial apps may occupy most of the power and running memory of your Android phone. If you run this app, your Android phone may also easily overheat. So please make sure to download the app from official channels. 7. Install operating system updates. Phone manufacturers and app developers regularly roll out software updates, security and feature upgrades that protect phones from security vulnerabilities and help them run apps properly. Please click Settings, find the system and click to enter the system interface, and then click Software Update or System Update. Here you can see whether there are any unprocessed system updates. If so, install it now. Your phone may automatically restart while waiting for the update to install. These are some tips that can effectively prevent your phone from heating up. If you follow the advice above, you can prevent overheating on Android phone. Finally, please protect your smart devices. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the message area. At the same time, if you think there is anything we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.